Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So yeah, I know finally I'm making a new video, but honestly there wasn't much to talk about it. I mean, I was expecting a new lower low. Actually, let me take the full screen here. Go back to Bitcoin. Okay, so here we are. Full screen. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see what happened. Okay, so this is the end of wave 2. We did our wave 3. Ideal retracement for the fourth wave, it's here 57,571 about. We went lower, which was 56,555. Is it done? Well, maybe we can have another lower low still. We have some room left. We have 53,000, let's say to round it up 350. And we do have this MA200 that's going to continue climbing. So wouldn't be impossible to see, some Bitcoin at 52, 53K. Still, I would say pretty smooth, nothing alarming. Now, if I see Bitcoin below 50, then I start to sweat a little bit. For the moment, everything amazing. Now, I know out there are some people that do, well, maybe this is not a B, C, more a W, X, Y. It doesn't really change anything. It's more for the structure. We do have 5 wave down for the wave A or W. The X has 3 waves, and the Y or the C has 5 wave down. As you can see, yeah, so the Y would start here, right? So this would be the Y. The Y, it's composed of an ABC. So the A, it's 5 wave down. We have the 3 wave up. And now technically we could say we're doing the wave C of the Y wave. What else can I say? Honestly, everything is going well. See here. So this would be a 1, a 2, a steep wave 3. Now the 4, and now we're going to do the 5. Now I know the 4 is very strong, right? So I'm not sure if we still say that this is a fourth wave. Yeah, I guess so, because I can put, because now it's doing something that looks more like a diagonal. Let me put the 6.18. Well, actually, we start to go higher, so yeah, it could be now that we start to make this reversal, and maybe we are starting to do this fifth wave of the third wave in green, right? So let's recap just a little bit so that everybody's on board. Brush again. So this is our wave 1, wave 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Now for the finish or not, still we don't have clear signal for that. And then we're going to do this fifth wave in red, which is only will conclude the third wave in green. And after that, we're going to have a fourth wave in green and a fifth wave in green. So this is why, yeah, the third wave, we are kind of aiming as a target 100K, nearly 100K. We can make extension go higher. And if it does, then for sure, our fifth wave target of $122, $123,000 is going to reach higher levels. We shall see when we get there. And I'm not saying if we get there, but when we get there. All right, so now this is amazing. So I went to Republic Dominican because anyway, after pre-halving, post-halving, may walk away, you name it. So I went to Republic Dominican, 2 weeks, all inclusive, yeah. And yeah, honestly, I think I left, last time I did a video, I don't even remember, maybe it's 20 days. Honestly, beside doing a lower low, which I was expecting, nothing changed. And on top of that, I had many orders for altcoins, none of them triggered, because I was expecting, okay, there is this one, Avalanche, that, as you recall, if you follow my channel a little bit, I always put a little bit higher buy order than the actually fib retracement or extension. If it's an extension, I put it lower. If it's a fib retracement, I put it higher. So I did got some avalanche at I think 30, 50, 30, 70, I don't remember now. I do have other order for sure. Yeah, the $24, I don't think I will get it. If I do, well, you know, amazing. Otherwise, well, we need to deal with it. I already start this level, by the way. This is I start to yeah, I started a leverage, and if it goes lower, I do have other orders, and those are leverage. My bags, I did fill them up here, so I'm pretty happy. And let's see if we manage to do a lower low, but honestly, I'm really not convinced. Also, Link, for example, I did fill up my bags here. Some order did trigger in my leverage. I don't think we're going to reach the $10.67. I do have a little bit of orders a little bit higher than that. I think it's $12, $11.80. I don't remember now. I think I put the VRVP and I checked the relevant levels and so on. So this is what I've done with my my alts. Now the question is this a 1 and this is a 2 and now we're doing and building on a third wave, or the fourth wave is not finished and we're still doing this wave C? Well, nothing is clear for a moment, and until Bitcoin, I mean, we don't have real signals that it's reversing, going higher. There is always this possibility of the altcoins to go lower, but compared to the latest correction of Bitcoin, well, you can see that the alts are, I mean, in a way, they outperform Bitcoin because they didn't manage to do a new lower low. Now, if I go on the fear and greed, this is also very nice. We are 48. You remember that before we were 72, and some little drama happened, and then I think we lost like 4 points, and we went down to 68. We had some liquidations, but we didn't really have a drastic decrease in the fear and greed index. Now we're back to 48, so pretty much good. People are saying that Bitcoin is the end of Bitcoin. So this is a signal for me that it was a good time, or is a good time, to scale in my opinion. Now we do have the funding rate heat map. You can see that all green, so amazing. So I don't know what else to say. I think pretty much covered everything. And a lot of my friends are like, "Oh my god, are you dead? What's happening? No videos. What do we do? Why we do nothing? Because nothing changed. Actually, we got in a better position we were before. If you are looking to scale into Bitcoin, we had a chance to get even lower prices, because it did manage to do a new lower low, local lower low. Now, as you can see now, today it's fighting. So now, first of all, let me clear up a little bit here. Can we make a trend here maybe? Let me see, from here maybe. Yeah, something like that, honestly. So we do have this downtrend, which yeah, I don't want to put red because everything is red now in my chart. I'm going to clear my my chart a little bit because it starts to make doesn't make sense anymore with all these trends. I'm going to do that after. Okay, so until price doesn't break this trend, I would say the pressure is going to be still to the downtrend. But if we manage to break it, and then ideally even go and make a retest, then for me this level it's something you want to look for it, and especially you want to look for the altcoins. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. And also, let me go, where was it? This is, okay, did they just change the, okay, this is a new improvement, I guess. I need to restart my computer. Crypto. So where is the dominance? Let me see the dominance. All right, so this is kind of interesting. Also, you can see that, let me go on the daily now. It's a while I didn't check that. All right, so I did say if we get into this box, this should be altcoin season. As you can see, we did manage here. We did have a mini pre-altcoin season, but we didn't really have the one. So now, if price honestly, I mean the dominance, if it really starts to go down, yeah, this is the part where alts should start to, I don't want to say skyrocket, but you know, at least be more satisfying on percentage upward. So this is something that I'm looking for. And I guess this is pretty much all with this video. Honestly, I don't feel doing many videos because, you know, I mean, it's nice to listen to videos, but, you know, it's, if I need to say all the same thing, then, you know, I rather that you do something else. Nothing changed, so let's wait for Bitcoin. If it breaks the downtrend, then we're talking. This is annoying, I don't like it, honestly. I prefer the other one. They just have a drop down. Anyway. And yeah, so let's watch for this downtrend, blue downtrend that I just draw. If it can break that trend, then we start talking, then it start to be more exciting. And yeah, so this is it for today. If you have any special request, please drop them down shortly, in a couple of hours, because I do have some free time. And otherwise, well, have a nice weekend. And then when I see something exciting, I'll make a video. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.